Rockin' around.
Right shot on the beat.
At the Christmas party, huh?
Oh yes, bitch.
Knockin' around, knockin', 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 knockin' around, knockin', 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 knockin'.
Hey guys, it's BRE'ONA. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing my guys. I've been anticipating this for a while. I really wanted this, and I'm so thankful that I got it, and I want to unbox it with you guys. Yeah, y'all. Because last year I unboxed my phone, which y'all are on, and I'm like, okay, let's unbox this. So yes, so I got the Apple Watch SE Gen 2 40mm Starlight. Also got this little cover thing to go with it. I may be switching like angles so y'all can like see, like if that makes sense. Now we're finna unbox. Okay, so I finally got this angle set up. I set up my new tripod if you've watched my haul thing. And so this is the Apple Watch, really cutesy. Don't worry about the bars. This is really cute. It's like that. I'm trying to get like the right angle. Sorry if like it's a little, you know, weird. Okay, this is probably the best it's gonna get. We're just gonna go with it, guys. So this is the Apple Watch, really cute. And to be honest, when I open this, I may get fingerprints on here because I got lotion on my hands because my hands get really dry. But I'm trying to make this like ASMR style, but I may talk. So yeah, all right, let's go. Oh my gosh, let me stop. Oh my gosh, all of that just to open it to this. Like, what in the world? Okay, let me take a picture of this, actually. That's really cute. I like how it has the Apple Watches on the Apple Watch. I don't know what color the band it is in here, but yeah. Oh, well, you know what it is now. Open the band. I'm gonna open the band first. How to attach it and all that stuff. Oh my gosh. Eat a burger with no honey mustard. Eat a burger with no honey mustard. Okay, just like the useless Apple stuff. Where's my Apple sticker, actually? Like, where's my Apple sticker? Let's take this out. Okay. Okay. Hopefully, yeah, this should fit me. Really cutesy. I like this color, but I can't wait to get like more bands or whatever. Like, that's really one thing I like about Apple Watches. You can like customize it to whatever. Like, you can get bands from anywhere, you know? From like Apple bands or like, you know, bands off of like Amazon. Well, that's for the band. And here's onto the big dog. Well, it's actually kind of a little dog. Okay, let's just open the box. Now here's for the suspenseful part. Okay, I don't want to be that girl who broke her iPhone for a long time ago. I've opened it up freaking side down, bro. Oh well. Designed by Apple in California. No, designed by Apple in Apple. But I'm corny. I'm cringy. So here's, you know, the charger and all that little jazz. I got MagSafe on here. I hate that they don't give you a box. Like, oh my gosh. Bro, why is my brother so loud? Now here's into the big little dog. Big little dog. Like, quite literally. See how tiny this is? But, like, it's a big little dog. Okay. This is really cute. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. That's so cutesy. Oh my. Let's try to attach this to it. Oh. I think I have it on the wrong way. I'm not trying to turn it on because I want to, you know. Okay. Oh, it clicked. Okay. Oh, I got my fingerprints on it now. Listen. That's cute, guys. That's really cutesy. Look at, then you can see the blinds. Okay, let me try to open this. Hey, she got that on though. She got that on though. Hey, I want to turn it on, like, you know what I mean? But I want to take it off so I can hold it. To be honest, I don't know which button, but we're just going to hold down both of them to see.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's a lovely weather.
Okay, so I asked why this is not turning on, and then I heard advice that it may be because it's dead. Which, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So we're gonna unbox this, because this has, like, you know, little stuff too. So I'm like, okay, we could probably, you know. What in the world? Finally, oh my god, how long is this going to take? And guys, to be honest, I only got one adapter, especially that has like this on it. So like I will literally be using it through my phone, my iPad, and stuff like that. So yeah. Wait, listen to that. Okay, now we're just gonna wait. Oh, it's charging. It's charging. So it's a little charging thing. We're just gonna let it charge up a little bit, guys, and then I'll be back to hopefully turn it on. Okay, so it's been charging for a while, so let's check it out. Well, while we're waiting for that, for like the next however long that's gonna take, let's put the little case thingy on. I don't know how much I'm gonna like this. Well, that sounded weird. I don't know like how it looks like or what it comes with. It has the little, yeah, the little shell thing. Okay, like how to put it on and stuff. I think it comes with like, yeah, the little screen protector thing too. So yeah, little thing. Looks like a guitar pick, but I think it's like to smooth it on. So yeah, we're gonna put that on actually. saying open the back lid and tear off the liner protective film and fit to your watch. Okay, it's gonna have to go on like, okay, so how exactly do I get this on? Okay, so let's take this off. Oh my god. I'm just trying to get this off so I can actually put it on now. Okay, so I realized one thing is, once I get this on my Apple Watch, I better like it for a while because this is pretty hard to get off and stuff like that. So, also I see that it's recommending that I take, like, the stuff off too. Okay, let me like clean this.
Yeah, trip I stole Christmas. Yeah, trip I stole Christmas. Yeah, trip I stole Christmas. To everybody, Merry Christmas. Yeah, trip I stole Christmas. We'll blame it on me. Yeah, it's just the time I'm tripping out by the tree. It's all in the hips. Snap your fingers with your hands up. If I don't get my gifts, I'm running on fan. My pajamas on and I'm getting lit. I can feel it. Everybody tripping out because we in the Christmas spirit.
Hey, okay.
Coming to town, we tripping out by the tree. It's about to go down. Tripping out. It's about to go down. It's about to go down.
Hey guys, we actually got it assembled now. So now let's, alright, that's pretty cute. I don't know, I may change it down the line, but you know, for now, that's what it is. And now, let's see if this would turn on. So after a while, I finally got it to work. I'm gonna do that a couple times. Okay, I'm gonna do that. It's basically like I've been kind of like, you know, like figuring out how to do it and stuff like that. Oh. 38%. I'm gonna just put on the charger. Yeah, guys, I'm definitely gonna be like, definitely don't live in Cupertino, but like, yeah, Cupertino, I guess that's how you say it. Don't mind the stuff about my nails. I was like peeling eggs for like deviled eggs. I washed my hands, but like, it's like that stuff never goes away. Like, what is this? Yeah, I can't wait, guys. I'm gonna set it up like more, like, so like, you know, that. But yeah, guys. Okay, so I made this cute little thing. Actually, let me change the color of that. I don't like the white. But yeah, look at my octopus. Yeah, I'm gonna change the color of text if I can, because I really don't like that. Okay, so guys, I got it turned on. I'm gonna need to do it like that to show it to you. I'm gonna just show y'all. Okay, so actually I'm just gonna leave like that. And what is that head right there? So this is the Apple Watch. It's pretty cutesy. Then I got my little Pandora watch, you know, sitting right there. Don't mind that. Why does it keep on doing that? But yeah, this is how it's looking. That's so cute. Like, that's really cute. So yeah, that's really cute, guys. Hey guys, so don't mind this. This is, you know, it's Christmas. But thank y'all for watching this video of me unboxing my Apple Watch. Sorry if you hear Brooklyn, she's a little... And hopefully y'all had a good Christmas. Remember, Christmas isn't about the things you get, but the things you have. It's about God, Jesus Christ, and that he was born and stuff like that, even though he wasn't. Anyways, let's not get on a ramble about that. But hopefully y'all enjoyed y'all's Christmas in this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, possibly on the screen in the description. Like, it's most of them, it's BRE'ONA. Like, just look up It's BRE'ONA on Instagram, It's BRE'ONA on TikTok, and you'll find my 2 accounts, like, quite literally. So bye guys.